Hello friends, how are you all? So your EVS teacher is back with new video, that is of exercise sheet number 11. Okay, your subject is EVS and standard is 3rd. Okay, in this exercise sheet you have to write your name here, your roll number here and today's date. Okay, what is our lesson number 11 name? Our vehicles, right? So in this exercise we are going to write many things about our vehicles. Okay, question number 1 is choose the correct option. Okay, number 1 is in which of the following vehicles can more than 1000 people travel at the same time? See, in which vehicle 1000 people can sit at the same time together? Option A bus, option B train, option C car and option D truck. Okay, 1000 people. Okay, so बस में बैठ सकते हैं? नो. ट्रेन में? यस. कार में? नो. ट्रक में? नो, बिकॉज ट्रक ऑल्सो ट्रक में भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 100 पीपल ही बैठ सकते हैं, नॉट 1000. ओके, सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ नंबर 2 इज विच व्हीकल इज यूज फॉर एयर ट्रैवल? सी, एयर में ट्रैवल करने के लिए बस, कार, ट्रेन या एरोप्लेन? ऑफ कोर्स एरोप्लेन. यस. नंबर 3 इज which of the animals are used in mountainous region to travel from one place to another? Have you seen कभी कोई गिरनार या ऐसी जगह पे गया है? You should know that गिरनार जैसे कोई माउंटेन रीजन में या पावागढ़ जैसे रीजन में how people are traveling, how people are going one place to another place, you know? See, ऑप्शन ए हॉर्स, ऑप्शन बी कैमल, ऑप्शन सी बुल और ऑप्शन डी डोंकी. नो, नॉट डोंकी, नॉट बुल, नॉट कैमल, इट्स अ हॉर्स. ओके, इन माउंटेनियस रीजन व्हाट इज यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल? हॉर्स. ओके, नाउ which two-wheeler vehicle do children use to go to the school? देखो, छोटे छोटे बच्चे या little big child. Okay, what they are using? Two-wheeler. Which two-wheeler? A children can run scooter? No. Bicycle? Yes. Rickshaw? Rickshaw is a two-wheeler? No. Bullock cart? Bullock cart is a two-wheeler? No. So only bicycle. Yes, children can ride only bicycle. Now number 5 is which vehicle is used for taking sick people to the hospital? See, sick yani ill. So which vehicle is used to take the ill people to the hospital? Policeman? No. Train? No. An ambulance or a bus? Yes, an ambulance. Okay, so here we have completed our question number 1. Now we are moving on question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1 is the animal useful in farming is. Okay, farming में कौन सा animal use होता है? Which animal is help to farm? Yes, you can write beta bull, you can write bullock, you can write ox also. So we'll write here bull. Okay, B-U-double-L, bull. Okay, the animal useful for traveling in a desert. Okay, which is the sheep of the desert? C-A-M-E-L, camel. Okay. So number 3 is dash is used for carrying fruit and vegetables by the vendors. Okay, हमारी सोसाइटी में फ्रूट वेजिटेबल वेंडर्स आते हैं ना, क्या लेकर आते हैं बेटा? लॉरी. क्या लेकर आते हैं? लॉरी. सो हाउ विल राइट द लॉरी? L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. Lorry is used for carrying fruit and vegetables by the vendors. Okay, Number 4 is a fireman use dash to put off fire. See, फायर बुझाने के लिए फायरमैन क्या यूज करता है, उसके गाड़ी में क्या होता है, WATER, वाटर. ओके, अ ट्रेन रन्स ऑन डैश. ट्रेन किसके ऊपर रन करती है, रेलवे ट्रैक, राइट. सो विल राइट ऑन ट्रैक, TRACK, track. Okay, so now I am turning the page, that is question number 3. So question number 3 is true or false. Number 1 is a horse cart has 4 wheels. Have you seen a horse cart? Yes, it is not having 4 wheels, it is having only 2 wheels. So this statement is false. FALSE, false. Right. Number 2 is a large truck runs on gas. You know, every truck or every vehicle needs some fuel, but large truck is not running on gas as it is running on diesel. Okay, so this is also a false statement. Now next is a number 100 is dialed if we want to call the police. Is that so? Yes, for ambulance it is 108 and for police it is 100. So this is true. Next is trains are used to travel through the air. Is that so? Train is traveling through the air? No, it is traveling on the tracks on the land. Okay, so this is again false. Okay students, question number 4 is match the following. Number 1 is traveling on a road of iron. Very well known, everyone is knowing what is road of iron. What is traveling on a road of iron? Option B, train. Okay. Second number is for fetching and carrying letters. Okay, everyone knows letter for fetching and carrying मतलब कैरिंग यानी लेकर आना एंड फैचिंग यानी पहुंचाना. सो लेटर्स कौन पहुंचाता है, ट्राइसिकल, ट्रेन, हॉर्स, पोस्टल वैन और कैमल. यस, पोस्टल वैन, ऑप्शन डी. Number 3 is for traveling in a desert. Yes, ship of the desert is camel. For traveling on a mountainous road, you know mountainous road यानी hilly station, hilly region. तो hilly region में कौन चलता है, option C, horse. For disabled people, you know, you have seen some disabled people who is not like whose legs are not working or somewhere. So how that disabled people are moving from one place to another? With the help of tricycle. Okay, so this is our match. Now question number 5, answer the following questions. Okay, first number is what is meant by roads of iron. Everyone knows what is road of iron. Road of iron means railway tracks. So we'll write in single inverted comma roads of iron, comma complete, means the railway, RAIL, rail dash way, railway tracks, TRACKS, tracks. Roads of iron means the railway tracks. Okay, number 2 is name any 2 vehicles used for or used to travel over water. You know, water के ऊपर travel करने के लिए which 2 vehicles you can use? So the 2 vehicles used to travel over water are any 2 vehicles. We can write boat, steamer, yacht, then ship. So we'll write boat and SHIP, ship. Okay, any 2 you can write beta. Next is how many mode of transport are there, which are they? Okay, ma'am has explained you. Okay, so there are 3 modes of transport. How many modes of transport are there? 3. Which are they? Number 1 is land transport. Number 1 is land transport. Number 2 is water transport. And number 3 is air transport. Okay, how many mode of transport are there? 3. Land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay, number 4 is which vehicle are used nowadays? Acha, nowadays which vehicles you can see on the road? So we'll write nowadays, comma, स्कूटर. ठीक है, nowadays स्कूटर, कॉमा, रिक्शो, RICKSHAW, रिक्शो. देखो सेम स्पेलिंग इज गिवन इन द MCQ. RICKSHAW. So same will write here. RICKSHAW, rickshaw, scooter, rickshaw, then car, bus, then many vehicles are there, right? Truck, etc. etc means etc. etc vehicles are used, full stop. Okay, so here our lesson number 11, exercise sheet number 11 is been completed. Okay, everyone have to write with a nice handwriting. Fine, we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye everyone.